I'm Rowan's dad. Rowan bought a nice little Honda 125 monkey bike, brand new. He was having so much fun. I thought, well, I gotta get one. So I went to Southampton thinking I was buying something similar, but when I got there I didn't realise that I bought something that was very, very small in comparison, but it's still good fun. It's very slow, so we've got a couple of mods to do. I've already modified the front sprocket up to a 15 tooth, which will give me an extra 7 miles an hour.
What did you start at?
I started at about 27 max, and I think I've done about 30
downhill.
37.
Oh, 37 with the sprocket, that's it.
That's on the flat, so what's that, an extra 10 mile an hour?
Yeah.
So I've got some more mods. It wasn't charging either, so I had to redo all the charging system. The voltage regulator had gone, so I got some little, are these oil shocks?
Yeah.
Oil shocks from Racing, 00 Racing, 280, so they look nice on the back. Some little, and also as well, I want to get a bit more speed out of it, so I bought in this one the inlet manifold. The hole is probably about that diameter there in here, so we're going to fit that. We're going to fit a remapped high revving ECU from Triton, and also as well we're going to be fitting a free flowing air filter. I put new tyres on Michelin. The next thing I'm going to do in the future is just upgrade my exhaust to a free flowing exhaust. Obviously that's the standard one and it's still, you know, but for the moment we're just going to stick with these couple of little mods and go for the ride then. So I think the first part we're going to do, we'll just change over the shocks. It's the most easiest part for now. It's probably one of the best looking upgrades you can do on one of these little bikes. Yeah, with these shocks you can do a bit of adjusting, because when we're out we do go over some bumps, don't we? And they've got a tendency to bottom out a little bit, but with these we can adjust the damping and the preload and whatever it is. Ouch! So there we are. So we just fitted the shock. That's the replacement. I mean, it looks, to me it looks a lot better than standard. And what I'll do is I'll jump on it in a minute and see, you know, how it feels like.
Well, you can adjust the...
No bottoming out there.
No.
You think, well, when I was on my bike, you know what I mean?
Yeah, mine bottoms out all the time.
Mine. That's quite good actually. At some point we'll just start, see how it goes.
You can adjust the preload on the spring, and under there's adjustable valve for the damping. So
this is the old inlet manifold, so I don't know whether you can see that there. Well, that's the amount of air and fuel it's letting in, so we're restricted quite a lot there. It's probably about the size of a... Is
it focused?
It's about the size... Well, it's very small anyway. But this is the new one. This is the new... So you can see that's much better, isn't it? So obviously we're getting a lot more air in. Now we need to put on the remapped ECU. That's going to obviously balance everything out for us. So we've taken off the air filter that it comes with. Obviously there's another restriction in air. It's not allowed to suck in a lot of air, and we're going to put free flowing air filter on and do away with this. So removing the ECU now. So we've taken off the inlet manifold that was restricted. We've taken off the air filter that was restricted. We changed the Remac ECU. Let's see if he lets me revving. It starts up.
So it wouldn't rev before, would it?
It wouldn't rev, it would, but it would be very, it had nothing there, like, it's just not revving. That's got a bit of, I'll take it to the road now, will you?
Yeah.
Come on.
I bet that feels like an animal compared to him.
Actually looks quick though, doesn't it?
It looks about as quick as mine from it. I don't know. It's hard to see.
You'd be racing him down to fourth call now.
Yeah. He's going flying down here now, I'm telling you. Fish.
Look at him!
Get him go. Yeah, it's faster.
That's awesome, isn't it?
It's definitely faster.
Yeah, there's no tractors hiding behind him now, is there?
No.
You see his backside hanging out.
Look. I don't know if it's fast or the bike's just tiny. A little induction noise on it. What's it like, Ken?
It's awesome.
I see you bowling down here.
Would you do it again?
What?
Would you mod it again? With the money?
Oh yeah.
How fast do you reckon I was? 100, I wonder if
Probably
it's,
felt like it, though, didn't it?
if it's quite that fast. It's definitely faster though.
Definitely faster. Go flipping, it just revs like that. First is like fourth now.
Yeah. Awesome.
Alright then. We'll go for a little ride.
Yeah. Come on then, let's go and get the bikes. I'll get mine out now and then we'll go for a ride. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.